Look at me closely. Am I real? Or am I generated by artificial intelligence? The truth is, I don't exist. This video was created 100% using AI, no camera, no studio, and no microphone. And the crazy part? You can do this too, in less than 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone yourself and create unlimited content for your business, using the most advanced AI tool on the market.
Welcome to Scale with AI, where we master technology to grow your business. If you're camera shy or just don't have time to record videos, this tool is a game changer. It's called HeyGen, and it's going to save you hundreds of hours. Let's dive in. First, click the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. You can choose from over 100 instant avatars. Look at the quality here. It's unmatched. Or, if you want to build a personal brand, you can upload a 2-minute video of yourself to create a custom digital twin. Now, simply type your script here. You don't even need to record your voice. Just pick a voice that fits your brand. Let's try Jackson, calm and professional. Once you're happy, hit submit. In a few minutes, your AI video is ready to export in 4K resolution. Here is the final result. Imagine using this for your YouTube channel, social media ads, or even client training videos. The possibilities are endless. If you want to try this out, I've included a link in the description below. It's the best way to scale your video production without the burnout. Don't forget to subscribe to Scale with AI for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.